come closer so that you see who is asking. You can come closer so that you see who is asking. From this side, anyone asking Deacon? Strictly, we are saying every candidate takes just 2 questions. Yes, you can go ahead. Kumugumia Deacon. Thank you very much. Deacon. Try to come this side. Try to come closer. Yes, thank you.
Honorable Deacon, you have addressed us mostly on what you did. And unfortunately, I fail to know, as the new guilty president who is going to be elected, what are you going to do for us? Because you are giving us only history, first year, second year, third year, fourth year, and I don't know what you are going to do in the 5th year.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Give back the mic, that man. Any other question from Mugumia Deacon? Any other question for Honorable Mugumia Deacon? They are just strictly 2 questions. Any other question? Okay, we go on to another candidate. Questions to Honorable Integi Moses. We are having a gentleman here. Okay, you can ask.
My question goes to Moses Integi. According to the meaning of charisma, we see that it is the ability to influence people without using words. So how do you expect to lead the entire Bala University without logic? Are you going to use logic or you expect some spiritual power?
Again, my question goes to you, Mr. Keke. The way you speak, you look to be a dictator. Can you defend yourself?
Thank you. Those are the 2 questions. Honorable Moses Integi.
Two questions to Honorable Okeloma Oma. Let us move down. Let us be sensitive. Any lady asking Honorable Okeloma Oma? It's okay, you can give.
My name is I'm asking the government of I have to tell you the construction. I don't know manifesto. I can speak about providing protect permanent protectors in public terrorists. I want to present a term the number of terrorists we have in us and how we plan to sustain them. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I repeat. I'm saying, the Honorable Government according to the manifesto, he plans to provide projectors, permanent projectors in all the lecture rooms. I want you to tell the number of lecture rooms we have in the month, and that will be done at the back. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Moderator, please. We are talking of politicians who are over-ambitious, who are too greedy for power, who don't want to leave power. So when we are in first year, we are planning to be a minister. That was 2013-2014 academic year. So how would we tell yourself that you are not too greedy for power? Thank you.
Please let us always speak out our names first, so that we give the candidates a way of answering us. We are now asking the Honorable Rebecca Amen. Anyone with a question for Honorable Rebecca? Ladies, where are you? We don't have ladies that are asking.
question goes to as President of our Department of Science and Technology, we are one family, and right now, the question goes, what are the scores of buying bus and sports stadiums? How did we match the passing? Did we win or we lost the passing?
She has not gotten your question, please. Any other person has please?
The score of today's match in the basket. Score of today's match.
Okay, he's like, you tell the mass community the scores of today's match must. Another question. Yes, we have Mr. Ezra.
Yeah, thank you. My question is and Bruce.
Mr. Ezra, speak to the candidate. You are asking additional candidate or you want to ask for
Then I don't want to ask.
Sorry. Any other questions? It's okay.
Thank you very much. This is the PS1. How I could say, very happy. You will be using this term, you are a mother. You will mother and you know how to take care of your children. According to me, a mother is somebody that has produced a child and has taken care of it. But now for you're coming to tell me you're a mother, yet I don't know whether you have ever produced or can you tell me mother?
Questions to Honorable University Holdings. What are the commissioners? Ask you might ask people violent. We are asking Honorable University Holdings. People at the back. We are asking Honorable University Holdings. Okay, thank you already.
Thank you very much. Moderator, I want to pose my question to Honorable Collins. My name is Kingo Joseph. You launched by condemning the previous governments that they have not served very well, and you promised to serve us very well. But you didn't tell us what you did or what was your reaction towards them failing to perform your expectations. And two, projects that you are talking about.
Speak to the one question. The second question is invalid. Any other person?
Minister Telephone called in Robert, being this one. You have talked about a disciplined leadership. But you have come to the result in Ibadan University. Leaders who have been disciplined and humble have worked hard as the maximum. But now, I want to find out that we have come to the result that when leaders become humble in the University Council, they become overconvinced and they fail to provide services. So how are you going to do? Yes, you are too humble and very
Thank you. Questions to Honorable Morning Charles. Smith, Pato, wait, we have any here. And it shall be Mr. Producer.
Whenever operation, I have your eyes.